Hi, this is Joe. This episode, I'm going to share my experience contacting Adobe customer support. And this is not a very happy user experience. I just hope my sharing will help you guys who have the same problem as mine. So, and you don't have to waste time contacting them.
Or do you think it could be something related to the IP address? No, okay, this account was registered in China maybe like 3 years, 4 years ago. Okay, so I purchased your product here in the UAE in Dubai. So now I'm in Dubai. I'm in the UAE. Yes, now I'm in the UAE. Yeah. So you mean we choose another file? Select another file. Okay, let's see. Okay, for example, okay, CV. Okay, just this one. Anyway, it's the same problem. The same problem. Yeah, you see. Yeah. Or can you investigate into this issue and call me back? Because actually now I'm using the phone to call to the US. It costs a lot of money, you know. Yeah, you can investigate and call me back. That would be good. No, I'm not getting charged because I have the local UAE number. Can you? Yeah, yeah. I'm now calling you because I'm using the phone. So it's like half an hour because it's you know. Actually, I raised this issue about 2 days ago, but I couldn't find any support online. And you guys would call me back like after 1 or 2 days, and maybe 1 hour ago, about maybe half an hour ago, you call me back. You maybe your colleague called me back, but couldn't get it resolved. But the line was cut, so I have to call you back and call this U.S. number and transfer, from your colleague and to you. So it really it cost a lot of time. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Maybe you can investigate or okay, I'm waiting here. Never mind. Okay. Yes. No, no, I'm free to receive calls. So you can see my UAE number here. Okay, so can I reply to your email here with my UAE number? Oh, here, okay. That's great. Okay, that will be great. So we can, what about this? Okay, Sanjay, appreciate your help. So you spend some time investigate into this matter. So for now, I think, so supposedly, I am able to download this template with the package I purchased. Is that correct? Yeah. So my question is, the package I purchased is Acrobat DC Pro. So for this kind of templates, I'm allowed to download. Is that correct? Yes. Yeah, yeah. Please spend some time investigate and tell me like what are the reasons. Maybe this is not something that is included in my package. But anyway, I think there's some kind of notice if I download. Okay, you can say, okay, this is not included in the package you purchased, so the client understands, right? Instead of saying something, oh, something wrong. We don't know what is wrong, right? Okay, okay, just take your time because it's already like 40 minutes I've been on the phone and there's nothing resolved right now, you know? So please spend some time and get back to me with the solution, okay? Okay, okay, thank you very much. I appreciate that, and I'm waiting for your email or call, right? Okay? Okay. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, thank you.
Later.
Mm. So you're saying, my subscription does not include the download of the templates.
Yes, I believe that, but still I'm not sure about it. That's why I didn't want to give you any extra answer. Just to make sure that can I do one thing? Can I give you a call back on Monday? Would that be
Yeah,
okay?
you can't do it on Monday. I'm just I'm just a little bit disappointed. It's a very simple issue. It's just like a yes or no question. Yeah, and also it's kind of like user experience. If the subscription does not include the service, you can just pop up like a window saying, "Oh, okay, it does not include," so people understand, right? So don't have to waste too much time calling back and forth.
Like, around some like, mostly on surely on Monday I'm calling you about the information by Monday.
Yeah.
Is
Okay.
it okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Please,
Can I?
please help with the investigation and also just send me an email will be okay. And like so if I want to use those templates and what kind of packages should I purchase? Because actually now I'm testing the service, but it's kind of frustrating. So yeah. So how can I be more confident in purchasing more? Yeah. Yeah, okay, I know, it's not your fault, so I understand that. So I just okay, so I just wait for your update. Okay.
I'm calling Monday on Monday.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for contacting me. Have a wonderful day.
Okay. 搞了这么久，打个电话过来说不确定，啰啰嗦嗦说了这么多，哎呀，我都服了他。
3 days later.
Yeah, so it's really a headache to contact the customer support for using Adobe product. It's just a simple case, and I try to download some templates as resources from the Adobe website. And actually, they have so many websites which are a little bit confusing. But I contacted them. It's been transferred to one person to one person, and it's just completely a waste of time. I don't know if I did it wrong. It's just a terrible custom experience, really. Well, now I'm just trying to share with my experience with you, and hope you want to experience the same as mine. It's just a waste of time and energy. So it takes a long time to connect to another person, and this person may spend like a few minutes checking your case, maybe 10 or 20 minutes, and then, oh, I will put you to the right person and transfer to the next one. Well, I just go through this. I mean, I think this is the last time, so I'm recording this video, and I hope you guys won't have the same problem with mine, and to save your time and energy. And also, the customer support number is difficult to call. Even you get through with somebody, and it's the same. It will check your case like from the start and see. So and it takes many minutes to go through, and then okay, I cannot. I am not sure. I will be calling you back in maybe 1 or 2 days. But actually, they're not going to call me back. And actually, like the first call I received from them, it's like the next day or so. And at first, the call quality was very poor. Actually, the guy was not speaking very proper English, and then it was very poor quality of sound. And the worst case it was cut off immediately, and I didn't call back. Okay, so you have to call them back, and it is something new from the start. So I don't know how to put it. I'm sorry, I think I've complained too much because, okay, I think what I have concluded is that I shouldn't contact customer support for this issue. I think I should talk to somebody who has ever used this plan or has been very familiar with Adobe products, and you know the answer or solution maybe in just a few minutes. But anyway, I start recording these video clips, and now I spend time making it up. So with the purpose of just walking you guys through who have the same issue as mine. If you have purchased Adobe DC Pro and you want to download templates, and I just hope you don't spend too much time and end up without getting anything done. So that's my purpose of making this video, and I'm sorry I said too much complaints, and I hope you guys understand.